Hi and welcome to my kitchen. Thank you for choosing this video. So today we are going to make chili paste. I'm going to give you a solution of keeping your chili fresh for long and giving you a paste that will make your meals tastier. So let's look at the ingredients. The first one is this fresh chilies. These ones had stayed for like 3 days. And I'm sure everyone has a challenge when you store your chilies after a while they wither and they become a bit hard, even when you store them in the fridge. So this is actually a solution to this. Actually, they look like this. So I decided just to use all of them in this recipe. Then we have this sauce I got from Neighbors. It's a mint chili sauce called Chica Chica. It's really a good one, but it is an optional ingredient in this recipe. Then we have ketchup. This Rico ketchup is on offer like in most supermarkets, so please grab it. Ketchup is a must ingredient here. You have to use ketchup. Then there's water, which you must have water here. Then salt, still compulsory. Paprika, this is an optional recipe. You can use any spice of your choice like cumin or even pilau masala, whatever you may like. Then we have this coconut oil. This coconut oil is really, really good for your food because especially in vegetables, peanuts, kuma, kienyeji vegetables, it's really, really good and it gives it a good taste. So if you don't like eating vegetables, this is your solution. Then vinegar. You can use vinegar or lemon juice, whichever, but it's important to have it here. Then spring onions. These ones are a must have in this recipe. And then ginger. Ginger is also a must have. And then we have garlic. Garlic is also a must have here, and I'll tell you why as we go on. So you cut all that needs to be cut into small pieces. Yeah. Please don't mind about my chopping board. I'll get a new one. Then blend everything. Let me say this, coconut oil is very, very important here. You can use vegetable oil or ghee or just any type of oil because once garlic is blended or grated, it turns green. So you put oil to avoid that greenish color because it looks icky. So our paste is ready and you have to store it in the fridge and also in a airtight container. This is a glass jar. You can store it in such a glass jar or a glass bottle. It will really, really come through, but you have to store it in the fridge. After a while, the paste will be a bit thick when you put it in the fridge. So this paste can be used to cook the following foods on your screen. And it is very important because first of the taste, then you don't have to use garlic in your meals, you don't have to use oil because it has oil, you don't have to use chili, your chilies don't have to go bad. It's really, really a lifesaver. And I use this for almost a month. Yes, it is that good. But if you don't like chili, I'm sorry. So thank you guys for watching and that's it for today. Until next time, baraka.